Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an offer on the Mercari app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make an offer on the Mercari app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, let's click on an item that we want to go ahead and make an offer on. So here we have a random Pokemon card. And so what you'll do is that you could actually click on offer where it says underneath the price, or you could actually go ahead and message them. And same thing, click on make offer on the top right. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and do a percentage offer, or you could actually just enter your own offer as well. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make an offer on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.